it?
Yes, 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 yes,
yes. 1, 2, 3.
It is a very lazy Sunday, and I have to be quiet. I'm going through the new product photography and selecting images. It's, yeah, it's a chore.
Ready yet? I wanna pick the flower.
Who's that? Who is that?
You! That was a complete, like, impersonation of you, and it was amazing. And I should win an award.
Why am I so tired today for realsies? Like, what's the deal? This is not normal.
Maybe you overslept.
Yesterday, I woke up at 11, which is amazing. And then I took a nap. Hey, come back.
What? Why is the video on?
What did you think I've been doing this whole
I don't
time?
know what you've been doing.
You didn't know I was recording?
No.
Well, you choked on your own cologne.
I did.
So I must have woke up at like 9:30 today. And then I showered and then I took a nap again. Then I woke up at like 1:30. So right now, Ahmed and I are going to Noor's house for a fun.
Noor who?
You're so hyped. Talk to the camera while I wipe it.
Noor who? So we're gonna have bad Palestinian food?
Astaghfirullah! What's wrong with you?
Okay.
Noor, I hope you're watching.
Just for those people who are watching for the first time or who don't know me, I'm totally joking. Her food is fantastic.
Your whole face is cut off.
But I like to tease Noor because she's always, you know, she's just like one of those, you know, obnoxious in your face people, like know-it-alls.
You're so mean to her. Ahmed, can you pick out a hijab for me?
No!
As if you could pick out a hijab for me.
I have picked out many hijabs.
No, you haven't.
Yes, I have.
Okay, then let's see you pick out one.
No, I don't want to right now.
Uh-huh.
You're Turkey with your Jedi mind trick?
Because you don't know how.
Oh, okay.
So much better. Look at what a difference concealer makes. Honestly, have any of you guys gotten fillers under your eyes? If you have, tell me how it went. I am very seriously considering it. If I don't have to do this every day and I can just wake up and like not have to worry about my under eyes, that would be amazing. Did you guys hear that little ding? That goes off every time we get an order. Let's see. Ooh, a light mink jersey hijab. Great choice, Samar. You did the right thing.
I'm trying!
Anyone else love to annoy their husband? Let's go, y'all. Let's make this official. Subscribe. Let's make this thing a real deal. You and me, baby. We gonna do this thing. All right, girls. I need to put on my real hijab and then we got to go. Somebody was cooking some really strong food and Ahmed immediately thought it was him and smelled his armpit. And you know what? I never have that reaction because I don't smell.
Whatever.
But when you do smell, you would immediately smell your own self. We're on our way to Jersey to go have a flat at Noor's house. Very exciting. Her sister's gonna be there. She's a riot. I can't wait to show you guys.
Her sister is so much funnier than her and cooler than her. We kind of wish that she worked with us.
Ahmed, Noor's gonna kill you. Dude, you can smell her cooking from here.
No, that's not her cooking.
No, it is her cooking. You
Is
can
it?
smell it from, you can smell the mensep.
Is that what it is?
I think she's making mensep. It's probably her right there.
Yeah, maybe. We'll find out right now.
There's her sister. Ah, look at her hot hijab. Seriously?
You press.
Excuse me, I never lived in a building like this.
Salam! Your hijab is so pretty.
No, there's no flavor.
Oh my god, Allah yatik al-afi. Wallah, we could smell the akil from the streets. Whoa, look at this. Oh my gosh.
Nice.
You are not messing around, Noor.
Nah,
What is
girl.
that? Is this, pate?
Fatih Betincan,
Oh my god,
yes, you know
heck
it.
yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I'm so hungry. That necklace is screaming Giselle.
I know. It's vintage.
I bet it is. I had a silver one like that.
Really?
Yeah, but it wasn't as big. Like yours is massive.
It could
Yeah.
be bigger. I mean, I wish it was a little big.
What?
He's very sassy.
Hello. Hi. That's how Brittany talks. Hi.
Does she? I'm gonna tell her you make fun of her.
Well, she's gonna see it on the blog. Oh my god, I thought that was Malek. I literally thought I just kicked Malek, but I didn't.
She did step on him once in her apartment, so that did happen.
Did I?
You did.
Oh my god, I'm sorry,
Stepped on
Malek.
his
Look how he's playing with $1. Where'd you get that from?
He stole it from me. That's trade you? Trade you?
Malek, are you playing with Giselle? What are you guys playing?
We're playing chase. Did he change his diaper or something? I've done that before.
Ahmed, of course, ate half of this cake. That's why it's all gone.
That looks like a smiley.
It does. Look at these pastries and this gâteau. Butter. Oh my god, you just said gâteau. What do you guys say for cake?
Gâteau.
Yeah, gâteau.
We just say cake.
You just say cake? Well, that's not Arabi. Oh my god, yes. Look at this knafe. Noor, like a true Palestinian. Is it bil ashta or bil jibne? Yes!
Oh, okay, good.
Yes! Oh my god, what's happening? What is happening? I hope I do this right. Oh my gosh, this is the real deal. Oh my god, that's what I'm talking about. Yes.
You lost it.
You know what's really pathetic is I don't even have appetite for this.
Are you for real?
And this is my favorite.
No, not at home. We haven't had it in a while.
Oh my gosh. Ooh, Iman! Iman! Girl! You are insane, Iman.
Oh my god, amazing. Wow. Not like that.
Hi guys, this is future Melanie in the future saying bye. Because yesterday we were so tired. We got home from Noor's house. Giselle slept over Noor's house, which you'll find out about in tomorrow's vlog. That we forgot to sign off and say bye. So, bye guys. See you tomorrow in the same outfit.